Leli eliwupowder into engiyithanda ngalo uma uzokhuluma nawo ucingweni uyalikhotha kuqala leli liwupowder. Uma uya kwi-job interview uyalikhotha. Uma uya kwi-hearing ye-CCMA uyalikhotha. Anything ezobe ikhulunywa wena versus ekhulunywa yibona, but bekusho wena, people will always answer yes. Anything njoba unale bhodlela leli lantombi kaYibhinca, you are going to sell something to people. Ulikhothile le bhodlela, people will answer yes to your product, no matter ngabe i-expensive or not, but they will still answer yes. They will still answer yes. That kodwa ifocus yethu ukuthi labantu besimame ekade silokhu sikhuluma nabengasiphenduli namhlanje abasiphenduli. I repeat, we demand ukuthi abasiphendule using intombi kaYibhinca umuthi. Thereafter mase sekunika ke untombi kaYibhinca lo owamafutha. Ngoba into engayibalekelayo is to stock umuntu esifazana athi kade nginyonyobele ungibangela isicefe lobhuti. Ngifuna ukuthi lento I understand this is Ntombi kaYibhinca. Ntombi kaYibhinca ama-ingredient akhona that basic. Kufakwe imvubu, kufakwe umkhoma. Isilwane esifakiwe. Kufakwe umantindane, kufakwe upiyane. What is the meaning of this? If this person ngimazi ukuthi njengoba sisebenza nje la kodwa njobe yele kulela office uzodlula la definitely ngiyayithatha untombi kaYibhinca amafutha ngugcobe la azokweqa khona. You understand? Ngugcobe la azokweqa khona. Kodwa ke uma ufuna ukwenza njalo ufuna ukumeqisa awuvesane uthatha untombi kaYibhinca ugcobe phansi ngoba uthi kuzohlala yena ezohlala esitulweni awuvesane ugcobe kunento ufuna uqala uyenze kuwona. Yini babudodela ufuna ngiyenze la ovalweni lakho gcaba lapho ukhiphe leli gazi elapho lelo gazi ulifake la kuntombi kaYibhinca umuthi usiyawushukuza ngalo ndlela usuyakwazi ukuthi umuntu methu yeqa lento ingene kuyena ngenyawo wayingene inomantindane ifakwe umantindane is capable for that okwenza ukuthi pho akuthande yini na kufakwe upiyane into othando into enhlanhla into nje evula into zakho mazivalekile kufuna kupiyana ngalo ndlela uyakwazi ukuthi intombi kaYibhinca ubhale phansi only if unegazi lakho ufungenale igazi lakho ungabizana ukugcobe phansi ngoba it's not going to work and you are going to persecute me for telling you lies. Ntombi kaYibhinca lo khombo ke siyona ke lesinikeza umuntu sibalekela ukuthi stop stalking women abantu besifazana abayifunile kodwa bayathanda ukuthi babe nomuntu abathanda kodwa abafuni futhi uzoloku bashela kodwa ekugcineni bafuna